Hello again. Now, in the previous video, we deleted the tier, default tier, and now we have an empty and clear annotation panel. As you will remember, this sign language video has two lexical signs for book in Turkish Sign Language. Let me play it. This is the first sign, and this is the second sign. What I want to do is to create boundaries for each sign, okay? So I want to select the part of the video that shows the first sign and the second sign. For this, okay, I put my cursor on the annotation panel, okay, just a random place. And when I, for example, left click with the right dragging, then I will be able to play the video and do some selections on the video. Now, this is the first sign that I'm interested in, okay? And this is the second sign that I'm interested in. Let me play, for example, my selections like this, okay? But my selections are not saved because I don't have any tiers. And before I create tiers, I would like to say one thing about the selection. Now I will be doing examples and I will be selecting the boundaries for the lexical signs in a very flexible way. I will in a relaxed way. You can decide to be really meticulous about the boundaries. Like, for example, you may be interested only in the stroke part of the sign, or you may want to include the transition movements into the sign boundaries. So this is totally up to you, your research question or the annotation decisions. Okay, now I want to first create a tier. First tier, I go to tier, add new tier. I want to call my tier name just sign, okay, because now I'm interested in the lexical signs in this video. The sign is the name, will be the name of my tier. I write my tier name. I go to add and close, and here I have my first tier. And when I put my cursor on my tier, I see that, okay, the tier name is sign, but the rest of this information box is empty, and I will show you how to fill them in the upcoming videos. Now, so with this sign tier, I would like to, set the boundaries for each lexical sign. As I said, okay, so this will be the first one, the first sign, okay, and then I select it, and when I put my cursor, on the cross section of the selection and the tier, when I click on this, a white box will appear, which this is a text box in which you will be writing your annotations. You will be doing your annotations. And I'm going to call this sign 1, for example. And a simple enter, click on the enter, will save your selection to your annotation panel. And then this is, okay, let me see my selection. I'm not happy about it. So like, okay, maybe like this. Okay, so this will be, okay, my second sign. Click on this and then sign 2, enter, and I have my first tier and first simple annotations.